So again, my name is Nickika, and this is one named Chit Chat. So you want to hear what the Ras said to me? Him said, excuse me, him not see me often, but there is a question that the naughty dread is asking. Him see me passing early in the morning, looking oh so beautiful, isn't it exhausting? But me not like the naughty dread, the clothes I wear him wear are him facial hair. And I like what him might eat, and I like what him might sleep. I'ma tell him that he need to take a break from the weed. Sure, me just a chit and a chat, but me know me love the Ras. Me just a chit and a chat, but me know me love the Ras. Me chatting, me up in my doorstop chat, but me know me love the Ras. Me chatting, me up in my doorstop chat, but me know me love the Ras. Because mommy say love out the nappy head boy, no for look a man well dress up in a jacket and cycle. Real man, no about them man. Ear off a coat like a gentleman. And so me tell mommy, hear me understand. But me not gonna lie, me love the Rasta man. Me a him tough chat, but me know him a the one. Me no want no little boy, me want the real lion. So me just a shit and a chat, but me know me love the Ras. Me just a shit and a chat, but me know me love the Ras. I told me chatting, me up in my doorstop chat, but me know me love the Ras. Me chatting, me up in my doorstop chat, but me know me love the Ras. Because me want somebody, we a go put me first. Tell me say them love me, now go ever make it hurt. Now go be, now go lie, now go flirt. I there with Nish, Trish, and Bird. Yeah, me want the naughty dress, 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 the naughty dress. Me just a shit and a chat, but me know me love the Ras. Me just a shit and a chat, but me know me love the Ras. And so me chatting, me up in my doorstop chat, but me know me love the Ras. Me chatting, me up in my doorstop chat, but me know me love the Ras. Know me love the Ras, because me know me love the Ras. Know me love the Ras, stop, oh me love the Ras, stop, oh me love the Ras. Know me love the Ras, because me know me love the Ras, stop, oh me love the Ras, stop, oh me love the Ras. Know me love the Ras, because me know me love the Ras, stop, oh me love the Ras, stop, oh me love the Ras. Know me love the Ras, because me know me love the Ras. Stop, boy. Come on.
Yes, chit and a chat, me tell you, Nickika. I love that lady. I just said to her before, I'm like, I need to manage you. I'm trying to find a new career path in life. I'm going to go into management. Not that I'm leaving the show, people. Don't get it twisted. But Nickika has some Grammy talent right there. I want to acknowledge the band. The band is the St. Jago High Band, right? No, it's not. But a lot of the students attended the school. So I'm saying it's the St. Jago Band. It's Nickika's band. But I have to acknowledge him and acknowledge the bass player who is also an Edna Manley student family member. Yeah, the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. Big up all the creatives this morning. And the teacher from the St. Jago High. Yeah, man, the guitarist was up on that stage. I love the family, the whole team, the keyboardist, everybody in there. Anyway, my people, our next guest is on a mission to help build a sense of appreciation for quality, culture, and originality in people through the artistic expression of crochet. Joining us is the owner and fashion designer of Bonfinique Authentic. That is Kadisha Williams. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wilson, Kadisha
Yes.
Wilson. My
Yes.
apologies.
Okay.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. It was nice meeting you.
It's nice meeting you. I met you in the makeup room.
That too.
Good to interview you. We really are focusing on our entrepreneurs because we are about economic growth in this country.
Right.
And we have the platform for millions of viewers. I want to just go through the story of Bonfinique Authentic. When did you first fall in love with crochet?
Okay, so first, it started like any other story. I wanted a crochet swimsuit, honestly. But when I looked at the prices, I was like, this is unbelievable. So my first initiative, I need to learn how to make this for myself.
How old were you?
At the time, I was 18.
Okay.
I was 18. right? So I said to myself, all right, the only way I can get this right now, based on the financial situation, I need to make it myself. So I made it myself, and then people loved it. I was like, okay, I can make a business out of this. I would like people to see that, you know, with crochet, I can bring out my culture. Because the people that were offering crochet at the time were overseas, mainly.
Really?
Mainly, yes. And they were giving you at some ridiculous prices. So I was saying that I want to bring it to my country at a cheaper price, at an affordable price. And I was saying to myself, okay, I want to bring it to my younger set. Because, you know, when you look at crochet, you don't see younger people. You see older people who do crochet, but you have a lot of young students now that love the skill. And I want to bring that out as well.
So from circumstance comes creativity.
Basically, yes.
And then from there becomes a business. So I'm very interested though. How did you actually learn to crochet? Was it Google, you know, your grandmother?
YouTube.
YouTube.
Basically,
Talk the truth.
I did not know how to crochet. I didn't know the first thing about it. It's after I made my first swimsuit, and my mother said, oh, I used to do that, right? So it's basically me putting myself out there, having a want, and then making it available for everybody.
But you see what you just said, which is the lesson. That's why I love having entrepreneurs, because we each one teach one.
Yes.
You just said YouTube taught me. And a lot of times you see people sitting there saying, I don't have a skill.
Exactly.
I don't have a job.
Exactly.
Get up and use YouTube. It is the greatest university in the world.
Exactly.
And it's free. It teaches you everything. She's got her YouTube degree in crochet. So it's a great opportunity to show our viewers your pieces.
Yes.
I would like you to call on the models, please.
All right, so my first model, you can come for me, please. All right, so we have a nice bikini with a crochet skirt and a nice purse. Crossbody purse. All right. She also has the earrings
Bossy.
and the phone case as well.
Oh, it's a crochet earrings.
Yes, crochet earrings. You have the phone case, covers your phone. All right. It's also drop proof. Based on the material, it's drop proof.
Oh, so I can drop the phone and it's good.
Right. Yes, based on
Drop
the material.
the phone. No, joke.
All right.
Test it.
All right. Thank you, Tara.
Sarah?
Tara.
Tara. Thank you, Tara. Who do we have next?
Our next one is Dorani.
What?
All right, so he also has a water bottle holder, a mesh water bottle holder. The benefits of the water bottle holder is it absorbs the condensation off of the bottle
that's
itself,
true, yeah.
and it maintains the temperature. Right? The laptop case as well, it has a breathable material, so all of the heat from it can be expelled.
I like the water bottle, so you can just throw it over you.
Yes, it's a shoulder
Over
water
your
bottle.
shoulder,
We also have
yeah.
the wrist ones as well.
Oh yeah, no, I like that one.
Yes.
You don't have to read. Yeah. I think I got more wanted in my life right now.
Yeah, it's very handy. And then he also has a phone case.
In his
Phone
pocket.
case, yes.
So where's this model heading to now? He's heading to the office.
Yes, he's heading to school, he's heading to office, maybe a co-working situation there.
Yeah.
Right.
All right, thank you.
All right, our next model is Chantel.
Chantel.
She also has a water bottle holder, but the wrist one. This is a mesh water bottle holder, and she also has the phone case with a nice lanyard. On her back, she has our legendary backpack, right? So we also offer it in crochet straps as well as the normal nylon straps, right? Thank you, Chantel. And then the mannequin has a nice bikini swimsuit as well as a water bottle holder.
I'm really loving those water bottle holders. All right, let's talk about boosting your bank account right now.
Yes.
Let's bring out the models. So we're gonna boost your bank account. That's what we're about here on Smile this morning. Entrepreneur, can I ask you, where do we purchase? How do we support you?
Okay, so you can go to Instagram. You can go to Instagram at Bonfinique Authentics. That's BONFENIQYE _authentics.
All right.
All right. You can DM us. You can showcase. You can personalize everything. What colors you want. what size you want. So yeah, we cater to you specially.
Great job. How much are the water bottle holders?
The water bottle holders are between 1,000 and 1,500.
All right. And the bikini?
The bikinis are between 3,000 and 3,008.
Okay, and the phone?
The phone holders 1,500.
Okay, the phone holders.
Yeah,
Get it
phone
right,
holders.
1,500. Very affordable.
Yes.
And that's not US dollars, that's
No,
Jamaican.
Jamaican dollars, right.
But look at that. So she learned how to do it on YouTube. She was inspired because she needed an outfit and she couldn't find it for the right price. So the innovative entrepreneur made it. Look at that, people. If you have no work, get on YouTube and get on Instagram.
Yes.
It is a 2020 vision. Yes. We need young people working. Use the tools that you have in front of you. Congratulations. Do you have a phone number if we want to call?
You can call 876-895-2244.
Excellent. Khadija Wilson, thank you so much for sharing your talent. We wish you all the best in 2020.
Thank you.
May your account
Appreciate
just
that.
get fat and fat and fat so you don't know what to do with it.
Amen.
Amen. Khadija Wilson, owner and fashion designer of Bon Finique Authentic, very inspirational. My people, up next, I'm not going to tell you, just wait and see.